Unleashing joy, glow in the dark adventure in the claw machine arcade. And this product have a lot of stuff, a lot of features. And to ensure the claw machine works probably, do not exceed 5.5 USB cable voltage, or use USB and batteries at the same time. Do not put items into the port when the machine is operating. In the Ultimate Claw Machine Arcade, when you purchase the claw machine with a specially designed access hole at the back for easy loading and unloading, the package also comes with one charging cable for immediate fun. Balls and plush toys are not included, and they have two convenient power options. Use the provided charging cable for endless play, or insert 3D batteries, which is not included, for portable fun. Rated voltage -5.5, and they have charming LED lighting. The claw machine features vibrant LED lights, making each attempt to win or toy a vivid and memorable experience. And they have built-in volume control. Keep the noise to a minimum or turn it up for an authentic arcade experience. You are in control with your integrated volume adjuster. If you want to get to know more about this product, you can find it in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.